Hi everybody, it's Tereese. Welcome back to my channel, and yes, if you can see, if you, you see the title of this video, yeah, I went to Dollar Tree again. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I am in the hunt for yarn. I mean, I guess I'm going to crochet a hat for my mugs. I'm so determined to do that I wanted an um, so I went to two Dollar Trees today. I wanted to look for the little gingerbread wood pieces at Dollar Tree that Kimbo Creations here on YouTube showed on her video. I could not find them, so I did find the little angels, and I'll show you in a few minutes. But here is the yarn, and both Dollar Trees, I was thinking, oh, I don't need yarn, but you know, one Dollar Tree had this really soft yarn, and it has little speck of other colors, if you can see there. And I I thought this would be good for fall projects. Um, they're so soft. Oh my goodness. Oh my computer. They're so soft. And this one. So this was at one Dollar Tree, and then this was the other. And I think this orange would go so much better with the what is it, candy corn hat that I want to make. So I got it in orange, white. This is a red. Looks like the same color as that, but it's red, and a yellow. And I think these three would be perfect, and then if I have enough, I'll do a red and white one. So I got those. Then I found these, and I think these are smaller than last year's or the year before. I don't know what I'm going to use them for. I was thinking shakers because they're so small, but I'm not sure. And I'm not good at shakers, so I don't know how that will work out. Then I found this cute little guy. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. I don't know. I love the gnomes, glass or plastic deer that I can't remember who showed that one. But I am in search of that too. Because I would love to have it on my mantle. I want to buy a couple of them to decorate my mantle. But anyway, so I got him. I finally found these Hello Autumn words. I think it says Farm Fresh. I'm going to take it out. So it's Hello Autumn. Ooh, blessed. Give thanks. Welcome fall. Oops, sorry. Hello fall. And Farm Fresh. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad I found those. When you go to different Dollar Trees, they get different stuff in, and it's like you have to go every week. Okay, so I bought that. I bought one of these. I don't know if I have this style of snowflake, but I bought it anyway because it was the only one left, and I thought if I don't buy it, they're gone. What else did I get? Was that it? That. Oh, no. And then here are the little angels. Oh my gosh. When I saw these, I thought these were so adorable. Look how cute they are. They're about that long. I'm going to say they're about 1.25 inches tall. and yeah, about 1.25 inches wide with the wings. It is so cute. I had to get them, and I got a couple packs of those. Then I am a big collector of, not a huge collector, but my collection has grown of these guys. And I have several different ones. I have the real tall ones for my mantle, and then I have a small little, I think it's like a Santa toy maker, and I found him, and I found him, and then this one. Oh! I love how they're all different. They're carrying something different. Their hats are all different. I just love them. And I had to pick through them because some of them were broken, and, but they, I think they're mostly plastic. Yeah, they're not wood at all. But the other ones that I do have are wooden ones. I think they're the real German, I think it's German, nutcrackers. Is it German? I think it is. I could be wrong. And then I found these magnetic hooks, and I'm gonna hang these on my cart, my metal cart that I have. I thought these would be nice to hang trims that, I want to use where they're out and I can see them, or ribbons that I want to use. I don't know. I just thought this was a good deal for these little hooks to go on my cart. Then I got something in the mail from scrapbook.com, and I bought this waffle flower set, and it reminds me of the Ray Dunn lettering, and Paper Sweeties has them as well. And I bought these last year when Jill showed it in one of her videos, and then I saw Marilyn G with this one, and this one's bigger. The font size is bigger than this. This is just a little bit smaller. I didn't even realize that. But I love them both, and I'm adding this to my stash so I can have them and stamp them out. So I think that was a great deal. And scrapbook.com has been giving away stuff, and I think this one was definitely a freebie. I don't know. I think it's a glitter glue. And it's called Pops, and it's a silver. So I thought that was kind of cool. I think I have tons of glitter glue, but it's nice to have different ones. So yeah. So that is my haul for today. I want to thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks, everyone. Bye now.